Hi, my name is Carol Haley. I'm the Assistant Curator of Fishes at the Tennessee Aquarium. And one of the questions that we're asked quite often is, how do we know what animals will get along? We do a lot of different things. One of the things is we know what predators and prey items are. So we don't want to put predators and prey together, but sometimes we do. So if you look in this exhibit, we have a lot of sharks and we have food items. Actually, we have blue runner in here, which is one of their food items, only we typically buy it frozen to feed them. So why don't the sharks eat the blue runner in here? Well, if you look, there's a lot of coral and a lot of habitat for these fish to hide in. And once the fish get established, they know how to get away from the sharks. And honestly, the sharks are kind of lazy, and they would rather wait for a frozen meal 2 or 3 times a week than to actually have to do a lot of work to chase these fish around. Occasionally we do have issues. When we do, we try to do better. We move the fish out that might be aggressive, or we move the fish out that might be prey items, and we try to put them in another exhibit. Because sharks can be predatory and can be very aggressive, we would never put an animal in there that we would think would be at risk of getting eaten by our sharks. We don't have cownose rays in here. That would be a very good example of an animal that would likely get eaten by our sand tiger sharks. We do have them in our touch tank upstairs where there are no predatory animals. Other things that we do are make sure that our animals are very well fed. And once they're well fed, they don't really want to go out and hunt.